Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hi guys, welcome to week 2 of Battle of the Stitches for the month of March 2025. If you're not familiar with Battle of the Stitches, I have a link to a video where I describe what it is in my description, so feel free to go and check that out. This month we have, it's always Teresa from Critters Crochet and I, we're the ones that came up with the collab. But then we have 3 guests joining us this month, competing with us this month. And that is Sam from By Hook or By Needles. We have Beth from Melody Nook Crochet. And we also have Jules from Jules Crafts. We're so excited. I can't wait to see what everybody has made. This month, the stitch is the wide double crochet, and it's a nice lacy stitch. For my project, I used Big Twist Party, and I really love this yarn. It's so soft and fun to work with. And so for this, the second week, we show a sneak peek of the design that we have created ourselves. And so I'm going to give you a sneak peek and we'll see. I'm not sure how to do a sneak peek with this. So there's my sneak peek. And you guys get to guess what it is. Next week, we'll reveal what we've made. We could see if your guesses were correct. And we'll have voting polls up where you can vote for the project that you liked the best. And I'll explain more next week. I know a lot of you who watch this already know what's going on, so I don't want to be super repetitive. And I do have that video out there. If you're new to Battle of the Stitches, please feel free to watch that and see what that is. I'm excited to see what you think my project is, and I can't wait to see what everybody else is putting out there. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.